A Limited took over the assets and liabilities of PQ Limited at valuation of 6 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. That means, students, here PQ Limited is the vendor and the assets that are taken over are valued at 6 lakh and liabilities at 2 lakh at a purchase consideration of rupees 5 lakh. This consideration has been settled by issue of debentures of rupees 200 each at par. Now students, the entry would be as follows: assets account debited rupees 6 lakh, that is the value of assets, to liabilities which is rupees 2 lakh. These are the values that are given to us and we have taken over these assets and liabilities at these values. Now students, certain purchase consideration is to be paid to vendor. In this case, the vendor is PQ Limited. So we have written to PQ Limited and the purchase consideration is agreed to be 5 lakh. In this journal entry, the total on the debit side is 6 lakh and the total on the credit side is 7 lakh. So to balance this out, we will put in goodwill on the debit side, goodwill account debited by the difference in the value which is 1 lakh. So the narration would be being assets and liabilities taken over Now students, we are supposed to make payment to PQ Limited by way of issue of debentures of rupees 200 each at par. So the entry for issue of debentures would be PQ Limited account debited to debentures which is 5 lakh for PQ Limited, and for debentures we will have to calculate the number of debentures first. So number of debentures would be equal to 5 lakh divided by 200. The amount is 2500. That means 2500 debentures have been issued. So debentures will have an amount of 5 lakh, that is 2500 into 200, and in narration we will write being 2500 debentures of rupees 200 each issued at par.